Everyone and welcome to the phenomenal session in for which you all are waiting for, and here I will be talking about how you can keep 40 out of 40 in overnight. In midnight you can keep 40 out of 40. Yes, my beautiful children, you can keep 40 out of 40. It is not a fact, it is not a humor. You can keep 40 out of 40 if you are keeping 60% in your class, 70% in your class. You can keep 40 out of 40. That doesn't mean after this video you will be keeping. You will be keeping, or you can keep when if you will work hard, right? And also I will be saying the short strategy, the direct question, also the question probably it generally comes in every year. That also I will be talking about here. And yes, people, you can keep 40 out of 40, as you know very well that 40 marks is the examination, out of which 10 marks is a topo sheet, in which 30 marks is, you know what, my dear beautiful children, 30 marks is all about geography, right? 30 mark, in which out of 30 marks 4 chapter will be coming climate, soil, natural vegetation, water resources. अच्छा, अगर हम कैलकुलेट करें तो 8 नंबर मार्क का चिपकता है, in which you have seen in the specimen paper, my dear most children. In case of topo sheet 10 marks, topo sheet 10 marks. If the topo sheet is 10 marks, I will be talking about a topo sheet little bit later on. Coming to the another section B part, in which you will be getting 30 marks. My dear most children, एक chapter, if you are following Goyal publication book, if you are following Together with book, if you are following Morning Star book, if you are following others book, and there are having many exercise questions, am I right? Suppose for an example, water resources. Climate का बात नहीं करूँगा because maximum students are thorough about climate. Suppose water resources. In the exercise question, if I will be taking out the Goyal brothers, वहां पर 30 what exercise question is there, right? And from here you will be getting maximum 7 to 8 marks. दो section भी 30 marks का है. If you will calculate, if you will divide 7 चौ 28 एक 8 7 मार्क का चिपकने वाला. For an example, I am taking water resources 7 marks, in which exercise question is 30 marks, right? After that, after the water resources, अगर तुम Goyal publication book use करते हो, then after you will be seeing then year question is there, maximum PYQ is there over there. Maximum PYQ is there from that. My dear most children, if you can complete all the PYQs, all the exercise questions, if you can complete all the exercise questions from each chapter, definitely 40 of 40 is guaranteed, 40 of 40 is secure, right? मगर अगर मैं बात करूं, see, maximum students, brother and sister also, they used to keep 80 out of 80 in history and civics. Respected sir and ma'am, those who are watching this video, you have to agree with me that they can keep 80 out of 80. How they can keep 80 out of 80? They can keep 80 out of 80 because the paper is easy. The paper they get easy. How they get easy? Because they get everything from the exercise question. Yes, my dear children, they get everything from the exercise question. They get everything from the exercise. The Goyal brother together with exercise questions से सब कुछ question direct चिपकता हूँ, right? अगर सच्ची में इस ऑनेस्टी, इफ अगर कोई एक क्वेश्चन बनाया जाए, अगर मैं बनाऊं क्वेश्चन, यू पीपल कैन नॉट कीप, टॉपर स्टूडेंट कैन नॉट कीप फॉर 20 मार्क्स इफ आई विल प्रिपेयर क्वेश्चन इनसाइड द बुक. बट नो, ICSE is not cruel so much to you. ICSE will give the direct question. ICSE gives direct question, and it generally gives every year the direct question, and you people will be getting the direct question from एक्सरसाइज बुक. कमिंग टू द क्लाइमेट में भी 30 सवाल रहता है PYQs में. दैट डजंट मीन यू पीपल विल बी गिविंग अ लॉन्ग गिव 2 रीजन ऑफ दैट, 2 रीजन पढ़ना है. नो, देयर आर हैविंग मेनी काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन, नेम दिस, नेम दोस, राइट? सपोज फॉर एन एग्जांपल, I'm talking a question from a soil. Name the type of soil where you can find the ferric oxide. कौन सा types of soil बताओ comment करके. So this type of soil, this type of question will be coming in the examination. Water resources, and maximum students have given a lots of importance to the climate, soil, but they have not given a lots of importance to the natural vegetation and water resources. My dear most children, start reading natural vegetation and water resources right now. Keep the climate and soil at the midnight. तुम रात में भी पढ़ सकते हो, मगर वाटर रिसोर्स और नेचुरल वेजिटेशन अगर तुम सबसे अच्छे से कर लिए तो डेफिनेटली यू पीपल कैन कीप 40 out of 40. कमिंग टू द फर्स्ट स्ट्रेटजी, व्हाट यू नीड टू डू. द फर्स्ट थिंग यू नीड टू कंप्लीट एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन. First thing, you need to complete exercise question of Goyal brothers, exercise question of Together with, the exercise question of other books, right? You have to complete all the exercise question. After the exercise questions, you have to do जो नेक्स्ट पेज में रहता है ना, गोयल ब्रदर मॉर्निंग स्टार में देखोगे नेक्स्ट पेज में तो पिंक कलर का बॉक्स में ईयर क्वेश्चन इज देयर, दैट यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दोस, दैट यू हैव टू कंप्लीट. नंबर 3, पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर समरी. द पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर points to remember you have to do, my dear most children, points to remember. अगर तुम points to remember भी कर ले, वहां से भी क्वेश्चन डायरेक्ट चिपकता है. That it comes after this. Coming to the 4 at the end, if you are thinking yourself that everything we have done, if you want to make yourself strong little bit, अगर अपने आप को थोड़ा और कॉन्फिडेंस लाना चाहते हो तो PYQ करो. PYQ means 2010 से 2020. Okay, you will be looking after the 2010 to 2020. You will be going on searching to the Google. If you don't have PYQs, go and search to the Google that 2010 PYQs geography, right? And whatever question you will be getting, everything you have read, सब कुछ तुम कंप्लीट कर चुके होगे. कहां से? एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन इट इज देयर, PYQs. दर चैप्टर के बाद, क्वेश्चन आंसर के बाद में जो होता है ना पिंक कलर का बॉक्स, मैक्सिमम थिंग्स आर देयर. मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चंस यू हैव कंप्लीटेड. अगर PYQ देखोगे सब कुछ पढ़ लिए होगे, राइट? सो 30 मार्क्स फ्रॉम द 30, कीप 25 फ्रॉम टॉपर शीट. नाउ कमिंग टू द टॉपर शीट, यू माइट बी थिंकिंग सर टॉपर शीट कहां से क्वेश्चन बनेगा? टॉपर शीट इज समथिंग, राइट? Only your teacher can guide you. Only your teacher can guide you. And remember, in every school, I have marked. It's a personal experience. I have marked. I have seen a teacher from Madhya Pradesh. I have seen a teacher nearby school. Also, it is there. And also, I have seen many kind of teachers. Those who are expert in geography and history, civics. I have marked history, civics, geography expert. Maximum CBSE also, in ICSE. CBSE I don't want to say, but in maximum ICSE schools, history, civics and geography teachers are expert, right? And they might have made you do many kind of topo sheet. And for more details, अगर तुम्हें topo sheet अच्छा मान लेना, PYQ करो. PYQ exercise question, PYQs previous year questions में करना है. And teacher might have said many things to you. Do this much. टॉपो शीट में कुछ झमेला होने वाला नहीं. एवरीथिंग यू कैन डू इट. आई नो प्रिटी वेल. टॉपो शीट, इफ यू वांट टू सेक्शन भी अगर अच्छा होगा, टॉपो शीट अच्छा हो जाएगा. आई बिलीव दैट मोस्ट चिल्ड्रन. फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी कंप्लीट ऑल द एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन. सेकंड प्रायोरिटी PYQs कहां पर रहता है? जो चैप्टर के बाद जो रहता है गोयल पब्लिकेशन बुक में, मॉर्निंग स्टार बुक में, राइट? थर्ड को दिस PYQs पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर, समरी, चैप्टर एट अ ग्लांस, रिकैप्सुलाइजेशन, रिकैप, राइट? दैट आर दोस पॉइंट्स टू रिमेंबर यू हैव टू डू एट द थर्ड PYQs. अगर आज के 10 बजे के बाद टाइम मिले तो इतना अगर करोगे तुम 40 of 40 पक्का. 40 out of 40 is damn sure 40 out of 40 you, because see, let us make another topic, let us make another you know what, another strategy. 30 questions, suppose 30 questions from water resources, 30 questions from water resources, excess question, only excess I am talking about. 30 question कितना चमकने वाला है? 7 और 8. 30 क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चंस. अनदर इज देयर PYQ जो आप गोयल पब्लिकेशन बाद में होता है. सपोज पकड़ लो 15, 45 summary 5. Let me take 50 questions of where you will be getting the questions. Every question you will be getting from this only. From this only you will be getting, and the question paper will be very easy. Like history and civics, as you said many things. Sir, the way you have said civics questions, everything was a copy and paste. The question was copy and paste. The same thing, the cut copy paste, you will be getting everything in the tomorrow's exam, geography exam. You people can rock it. You people will be rocking it. I know better. So first thing, your first priority exercise question. अगर एक बच्चा exercise question कर लिया, 30 marks. 30 marks is pretty clear from including a topo sheet. Including topo sheet for 30 marks is pretty clear. I hope the complete 40 out of 40 strategy is really helpful to you. If yes, do share with you, and remember, do not remain out of the touch of the school teachers, of the subject teachers. The history civics teacher and the geography teacher will play a vital role right now. Yes, they will be playing a vital role right now. All right, so signing you for the today, coming stronger in the next session. Thank you very much.